This is the part number 5 about awesome sound in the board. We selected components in the previous parts. See all links in the description below. We installed these awesome speakers. Modernized this radio, then damaged it, repaired it, rejected to use this 10 years working nice Boss player. It's not nice anymore. So it was in previous parts everything. In this part we will try to install 3 players, but we will end with just one. You will see why. We will install speakers with some hooks for their better sounding here and there on the back side of the board. So, and actually let's start from this. I think you will find some interesting stuff for your project if you decide to make sound in the board. You will find time code in the description if you are interested in specific part of this project. So, this was amazing speaker that I've been using for 10 years. Okay, remember this. So you can trust these speakers. I bought them on eBay 12 or something years ago. You can trust them. And here we have a template for 99 millimeters. We need to make the whole 99 millimeters of 7/8 inches. Well, guys, I don't know how you understand this values. Millimeters is quite easy to understand. So, and guys, I want to put here blue system switch for 3 items, and you can see they will probably touch the speakers. That's why I want to move speakers a little bit on the left. And I have a 98 circle or so, I don't know, is it in English this name, circle, so I think that 98 will be also okay. And I want to drill it a little bit with the shift on the left, not in the center, but in the shift on the left. And I don't know if you guys know, but the problem is that if you have already the hole, then it's quite difficult to drill, because it will be just going everywhere around if you don't have a solid surface to touch by the central drill, and air is definitely not a solid surface. So I will show you a trick which is quite obvious, but I don't know, maybe you don't know, so I will show you how to do this. Well, and now we should install this one here and another one there. And the trick is quite easy. You take a piece of something and screw it from the opposite side, or yeah, opposite side. You can screw this from the opposite, but I will screw from this side, it's fine. Or you screw this from this side. That's also possible. It's more difficult to see where you drill, but it's also possible. So first check, yeah. Well, everything fine, and even enough space. Yeah, even with 1 millimeter less circles, so that's quite fine. And now we have to make the drill around drill. I mean, these drills, I think I don't need to use template now. I will use the real sample for this. Nice. And the same on the opposite side. Guys, I look at this place and I think that actually I can put a bigger speaker there. Yeah, of course I don't have place to put it here. It's just for the 4 inches, the maximum. But there I can. And you usually buy them in pair. So this will be the spare part then. So if you want to buy another pair, I think I can put one there And you know, then I have this place for a big switching panel. I have a lot of equipment there on that side also, and everything that I place on the I don't know how it is in English, where I put all my rods for trolling. So there I will put lights. I can switch on off them also on that side. Well, more you look, more you think about something else new. Look! No 4-inch speakers anymore there. The panels will be there. It's another video. You can see the link in the description below. 6 inches speaker will be there. The same like on the front part. Because I have place there for 6 inches, not like here. Yep. Look how you have to use this template. I don't know why they don't explain. Cut the outside perimeter. Don't cut inside. Because you need actually a center line. So you need this one. If you are going to use a circle saw, of course, yeah, that's the point. So you need this one. That's why you don't need to cut it. And you can get the center only when you have place for screw that you can draw two lines and they cross in the center. Guys, I think it's geometry from school, yeah? You will see now. And look, because everything is quite tough here and close to the opening space, I'm a little bit afraid if I can touch these connections by something that I put here. So I wanted actually to install it this way, and of course then I need to rotate this picture. However, when I opened, I realized that I cannot do this. You will see it soon after I finish my blah blah blah. So my next idea was that if I keep it here, I should keep it this way and protect that side from touching. I will do some plywood protection, some box here in some way. If you watched my previous parts, you remember how I did it there. So, and something like that maybe I want to figure out for that place as well. It's not strong place, so it will be some vibration during buses. I don't know, but well, let's see. I will create something. Guys, about right terminals, don't buy this junk from AliExpress. So let's consider on the example of a ground terminal. Yeah, so the right one is the one that you fit, and it's difficult to remove. It's really difficult. I will use tool. Yeah. Well, you may say, why I need that hard? Well, guys, because you need the proper connection. You don't change it a lot. If you need to remove it, you can cut the cable and then remove it. So, and the second one, okay, well, first let me show you this one. This is the Molex from Mauser. Yeah, that one. And another one is from TE. That one, you put it, you probably heard a click. Well, if I try to remove it with hand, no, I can't. Yeah, well, yeah, that's the right one. That's the right one. If you buy AliExpress junk, then you will get something that you can put, remove, put, remove. That's easy. That's the feature. Well, guys, that's not the feature. So buy the right tools. did I already show you this T? Well, maybe not. I don't remember. Well, short memory. Momento. So use the right things for your board. Should you use just a terminal and shrinking tube, or these fancy terminals with shrinking tube? Well, the answer will be in my video. See the link in the description below about shrinking tubes. I put more details there. On this Fusion original protection PVC, I don't like it, so I put shrinking tube here instead. I cut them off.
The song for a broken hearted. No silent prayer for the faith departed. I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice. I shout it out loud. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. Who stood their ground, but on me engine who never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Your luck ain't even luck, you'll have to make your own breaks. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. As long as I did it my way, I don't wanna live another life. It's my
Guys, look, that protective box I designed. Well, that was awesome. I did it just put this marks and use jigsaw. That's it, without any measurements. Wow, it was awesome. Unfortunately, I didn't put this on the video. So look, the idea is it will be like that, so everything is protected here. Nice, and extra stiffness will give this to this place. Well, really awesome. I really liked it. Yeah, like if you like. If you don't like, anyway, like and subscribe. Why not? And guys, it fit here this way. I'm surprised I did it without any measurements. So, and look at this. Yeah, it fits precisely and perfectly in all directions. Yeah, guys, I'm honest with you. I didn't measure anything. Wow. Well, it's my boat, and like Frankenstein, I did it my way. Here is the big one, white. Here is the small one, black. Odd? Ugly? Well, like Sinatra said, it's my way. What I like in this, in compare with Pioneer, that you can install grill in the right position, regardless of the position of the speaker itself. Yeah, nicely designed. Because there I couldn't do this, and my connectors are beneath in the downside, which I didn't like. Here my connectors are there. Really nice design. And now let's talk about two other 1DIN radios and what problems I met when I was trying to find the right one. Let's go. So packaging includes remote, so connectors with wires, this pocket for the front panel because it's removable, and that's the radio. Yeah, so here goes to cables. So yep, and it doesn't have SD card on the front. Unfortunately, they don't have any models with SD on the front anymore, unfortunately, but it's there under the panel. I will show you later. And that's amazing. Knob, not buttons, for volume. So that's it. Guys, you actually don't have SD card there. Look, I don't know why I expected. I think I bought the wrong model. So I think I considered some other model and bought this one for really cheap, something like $40–50. Yeah, and no SD here. Wow, no, that's not what I want. I decided to replace my 1-unit radio with this one, because Boss units are really cheap, well, within $50. So I decided why not to replace with the new radio with the Bluetooth. Unfortunately, in that case, I lost an option to put SD card from the front of the panel, the big SD card, but we will get to back later when we look at this radio. So now we open and look. Inside you have the radio, the standard cables for speakers and power, remote, some installation stuff. Where is the main installation stuff? The frame, it's on the radio. Okay, so, and the back for the face panel. Let's take a look at this. And something to eat. Guys, it doesn't have SD card again. Look, but the listing promised it this time, SD, and in multiple places there. Guys, look what happens now. So when I realized that there is no SD card in the new radio again, so, and then also I checked this place, this location for this radio, and I realized no, it's not convenient to watch video there. I need it here, but the hole is already too wide, and then if I place it here, then I really don't want to drill place for the second one, which is supposed to be spare radio, the old one here, the new one there. So I was thinking about different options, and then I come to this. I had this nice plastic. Well, if you are in the US, you can use starboard, yeah. So in our case, it's just some other plastic. I don't remember. I have video about plastics, marine grade plastics. So I prepared this kind of false panel that I will locate something like this, and the second one exactly the same. Not exactly, I decided one to make a lower, a little bit, few millimeters. So, and in one, yeah, also I forgot to mention that it's very inconvenient to fix this radio to the board directly. It's more designed for the car, where you can then cover a lot of around. I cannot do in my case. So in one of these panels I will do, being there outside the board, a place for this radio, and in another one for this. And so the only what I need to do is to drill the panel with nice screw and seal around. In case if radio is damaged, I just place another panel with another radio that I already have. And all connections will be also unified with Deutsch connector for power and this quick disconnector for speakers. So if you got the idea, and if you like and found something interesting for your project, then like it. Thank you.
I've paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence but committed no crime. And bad mistakes I've made a few. I've got my shares and kicked in my eyes, but I've come through. On and on and on and on. We are the champions, my friend, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
So I matched a little bit more with this saw, the second template, and now we have to drill holes on the second one, the same holes on the same location, before we fit this.
This ain't the song for a broken hearted.
Well, prepared it here. Yeah, so check that it doesn't interfere with the holes. So, and now I have to check it in the boat. Well, you can see wherever we put it, we are still in this drilled or cutted hole, so it will fit fine. Guys, this gentle operation should only be done by hands, otherwise you will spoil everything. Yeah, so this is for 3.5 screws. The drill is 3.2 and this is 7. Only by hands with the sharp drill. So guys, I built in this radio here, but all edges should be sealed before I even put this one, and I'm doing this with the double side tape. I already did it here this way and in the same way here. Actually, very problematic place for two DIN units here, because of the width or height. Yeah, so as you can see, very small clearance here, and actually when you put this radio there, because this angle is it touches this wall, so solution with this panel was actually a good idea. I would even prefer thick panel, so that there is some clearance or stand off of the radio from the wall. But unfortunately the season is soon and I don't have time to wait any other solutions. So I will be sealing now this around and apply a lot of screw, as you can see, and then final connection. In one of my previous episodes, either for this subject or when I was doing these panels, I blamed this Bosch EasyCut&Grind because it's failed 2 or 3 times, I don't remember. They replaced something inside, so it failed on the first charging every time. And then finally I told them, send me just the new one, because I don't trust repair anymore. And this time it works, and actually in this space where not enough room, it was the only tool with this cut, with this disc, the only tool that works, and it works terribly well for this fiberglass. So jigsaw cannot fit anywhere here, multi-tool so, but this one does work. So, and also sanding I did with this one, so this time I liked it. It's not a professional tool. Their green series, they have blue one for the professional. So, but still this time I really liked it. I really hope I will not need to replace it, because it's quite permanent. Well, okay, I can unscrew, but yeah, it's the good sealing and so on. So I really hope I will not need to replace this in the future. So that's what we have here. They have this cover. Yeah, unfortunately I'm not quite happy with this final result. Yeah, so here we have it. Okay, so everything is sealed here except for the battery, but I don't expect a lot of water coming from this panel. Yeah, well, so to me. Well, only now I realize how sensitive it is here to anything that might drop to this display. Well, I will install a protective glass here. As for the connection, guys, actually I will put this to the next episode, next part, because I want to show you unified connection. In case if I want to replace this radio, if you followed this video attentively, you have seen 1 unit radio. For example, if I want to replace the 1 unit radio, in case of damage or any other video, I want to make it very quickly. And actually I already did the connection, unified connection. Here is the legendary Deutsch connector and other stuff applied. Well, I will edit all what I did here in the next episode. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe to see this, and I will also explain how to connect the radio, marine radio, on the board. It's a little bit different than on the on your car. So if you don't know, for example, then you can watch that next video and understand. Well, guys, I hope you liked this one. Please like it, and yeah, subscribe if not yet. Thanks. Bye.